Hello and welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video we are going to show you exactly how to erase a download on Android to help you free up valuable storage space and keep your files organized. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Files app on your device to access your organized storage and file management system. This application is pre-installed on most Android phones and serves as a powerful tool for finding, deleting, and moving documents or media. Step 2. Then go to Downloads by tapping the corresponding folder located within the Browse tab of the application. This specific directory is where every file you have saved from the internet, email attachments, or social media is automatically stored. Step 3. Then select what you want to delete by long pressing on a single file or tapping multiple items to highlight everything you no longer need. Selecting your files carefully is important because it ensures you're only removing unnecessary clutter while keeping your important documents safe. Step 4. Then click Move to Trash to send the selected files to a temporary storage area where they can be permanently deleted. This final step is crucial because it removes the items from your active storage list, immediately improving your phone's performance and available memory. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.